Thanks, Jeff. He's so sensitive, isn't he? I'm Samantha, and I'm the maid of honor. Chris and Lauren, I wanted to first thank you both for making me a part of your special day, and I think everyone would agree that it's absolutely stunning and beautiful so far. When Lauren called me about 6 months ago to tell me that Chris had proposed, for some reason I didn't believe her. I thought she was kidding. We had all been hanging out the night before, and Chris wasn't acting suspicious or nervous. Like, nobody would have known that he was going to propose and ask the most important question of his life the next day. So as soon as I realized she wasn't joking, and Chris had actually proposed, I started to tear up. And Lauren was also crying at that point, and she started to tell me how he did it. She had come home to Chris with flowers, and he was wearing a suit jacket and a bow tie, kind of like tonight. And then she started to laugh and tell me that Chris went out and bought powdered donuts, which you just heard from Jeff. Those are her favorite. She also said that he put the ring on the wrong finger, and that she reminded him that he had to actually ask her a question. The proposal was a perfect combination of romantic and fun, just like their relationship. I was so happy for the two of them. Lauren, you're my best friend, and I love you like a sister. You are such a beautiful person, inside and out. Sorry, guys. You're incredibly caring and selfless, and I know that you love Chris more than anything. You're going to make a great wife. Chris, I'm so happy that you have officially declared me your friend, and I'm no longer just Lauren's friend. I have seen you support Lauren through good and bad times. You make her laugh even when you're driving her crazy, and I know that you would do anything for her. The two of you obviously have something very special, and there's no other couple in the world that I'd rather be standing up beside on their wedding day. I wish you a long and happy life together, and I look forward to celebrating many more special occasions with you. Congratulations, and cheers again.